In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to keep all of your tasks and events in one centralized place, making it much easier to manage your schedule efficiently. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you need to open up Trello and navigate to the board you want to sync with your Google Calendar. Be sure you have selected the correct board, as Trello allows you to work with multiple boards at the same time, and you wouldn't want to accidentally sync the wrong one. Once you have your preferred board open, the next thing you'll need to do is to enable the calendar view. This can be done either by using the menu or by activating it through a power-up. The calendar view allows you to visualize your tasks in a date-based format, which is crucial for synchronizing with another calendar application. After enabling the calendar view, a URL will be generated for your Trello board. This URL is the key component that will allow you to pull your Trello tasks into Google Calendar. Go ahead and copy this URL, as you will need it in the following steps. Now that you have the URL at your disposal, head over to Google Calendar. Open it up and find the sidebar on your left. This side panel holds all of your calendar lists and settings. Locate the section titled Other Calendars. To the right of it, you'll see a small plus sign. Click on this to reveal more options. Once you've clicked the plus sign, you'll be presented with several options. We're interested in the option labeled From URL. Select it and you'll be prompted to enter a URL. Here's where you will paste the URL you copied from Trello. After pasting it into the designated field, simply click the Add Calendar button. This action communicates to Google Calendar that you want to incorporate the Trello calendar feed into your existing view. Upon successfully adding the URL, your Trello calendar will instantly appear under the Other Calendars section within Google Calendar. This means that your Trello tasks are now directly integrated into your Google Calendar, allowing for streamlined task management. Double-check to ensure everything looks perfect and you are good to go. This new integration means that now you can view and manage your Trello tasks alongside your other meetings and events, making for a seamless workflow between the two platforms. Enjoy the enhanced connectivity and newfound organization that comes with syncing Trello and Google Calendar.